welcome back to another vlog. We are going to be doing a satisfying video, so let's get to
Smell like vanilla. It smells good. Here, we're gonna blend it down. It's really satisfying just to touch it.
Germex. I want you to comment what flavor it is.
Oh, and look, Tessa Brooks merch. Link in description.
Go check her vlog channel out too, and check
Go
out
check Jake Paul's, Erica's, everybody's.
Actually, it's not Erica Costle anymore. It's Erica Paul.
There you go. That's it. So now you see
This is like a pop. And it smells so good. I wish you guys had smelled everything.
I love water. It's so satisfying.
And this is the most satisfying.
I love water. It's so satisfying.
Like you guys, it's like it almost looks like a pool that had like too much sunscreen in it. So it's like all like weird. Alright, so bye bye. That's this side.
And I did get Jake Paul merch, the X t-shirt, and it's Pink Boy. And I got the Notebook Boy. So go check that out in his description. And yes,
The link in bio. So we want you to comment down below because we put it up. Catch another day news. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
This, remember the thing that we said? Yeah, we were just talking about. And we just did it.
Hey, watch this.
Are we gonna do another one?
Hands free.
Are we doing another one?
Hands free. Alright. Bye.
For real. So this time, we are actually all gonna say bye.
Sign off.
Bye.
Comment on your favorite YouTuber because we want to know the question of the day.